Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to use the writing and editing basics in Notion. Welcome to the world of writing and editing in Notion, where simplicity meets versatility. Let's dive into the essential tools you need to craft and customize your pages effortlessly. To unleash your creative potential, familiarize yourself with three key tools. The plus icon. It emerges on the left margin when you hover over a new line. Click to reveal a menu of content types you can seamlessly add to your page. The six dots icon or block handle. This icon, your versatile companion, appears on the left margin as you hover over a new line or content block. Click it to reveal a menu of actions. Delete. This self-explanatory removes the block. Duplicate. It creates an exact copy of the content block. Turn into. It transforms the block into a different type. Example given, bullet to checkbox, plain text to heading. Turn into page in. This converts the block into a page and relocates it as needed. Copy link. This captures the anchor link to this specific block. Move to. This transfers the block to another page within your workspace. Comment. It adds a comment to the block. Color. Available for specific blocks to apply colors or highlights. Slash commands. The ultimate shortcut for actions, both adding content and applying operations. The moment you start typing slash, a real-time menu emerges, allowing you to search and select your desired action with a simple press of the Enter key. With these tools, you are equipped to embark on a journey of seamless writing and editing in Notion. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.